And that's it for this section. You've just learned a ton of incredibly powerful Solidity for having multiple files. Let's do a quick overview of what we learned. We learned that we can actually deploy contracts from other contracts using the new keyword. We learned that we can actually import other contracts into our contracts and into our code using the import keyword. And the import keyword is the same as copying and pasting that file to the location of the import line. We learned that we can interact with other contracts as long as we have the ABI and address. We didn't learn too much about the ABI, but we'll learn more later. We learned that if we want to create a child contract and inherit the functionality of some other contract, we can use something called inheritance. And the way to inherit functionality is using the is keyword and saying our contract is some other contract. However, if we want to change some of the functionality of the parent contract, we have to override that function. And additionally, we have to set the function we want to override to virtual. Now we can have our own store function do whatever we want it to do. That is the end of this lesson. Once again, give yourself a huge round of applause, a pat on the back for making it this far and for finishing this section. You're getting more and more advanced with Solidity so quickly. So be sure to celebrate the little wins by getting some ice cream, maybe going for a walk or tweeting about it or posting on Reddit. Congratulations, you have completed this section.